course, before we officially start, our program for this afternoon ay ko lang po sana matignan lamang po ang energy ng ating mga guests for this special event. So, syempre naman, please bear with us at para malaman ko yan. Maaari mo ba ako makarinig po mula sa inyo lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woo! There you go. Yan ang sinasabi po natin. That's more like it. Yan ang dapat. Pati si baby, pumapalakpak na lang. And of course, yun ang dapat kalakas ang energy natin. At hindi tayo kasi because we are all gathered here and united as one to celebrate one very special event for our birthday girl sa araw na ito. Muli po, good afternoon everyone and welcome aboard here at the Maui Oasis Clubhouse. And tulad ng sabi ko lang po kanina, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the first birthday of our baby girl na si Khaleesi. Handa na po ba tayo? Or si Kali? Handa na po tayo lahat? Siyempre naman, our program will not be able to push through if yung main highlight ng ating pinaka-inaabangan natin ay wala pa po dito sa gitna. So might as well salubungin po natin ang kanilang gatherings. And so may I request everyone to please rise. Tayo na po tayo lahat because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on the grand entrance of our one and only birthday girl this afternoon. Alright? So let's start off with our first game. Alright? So dito natin malalaman gaano ba natin kakilala ang ating birthday girl na si Baby Kali. So with that, we are going to play the game entitled Trivia Questions about Baby Kali. So meron po tayong ihinandang mga katanungan, relevant questions lang po about kay Baby. And let's try our best na hulaan, or syempre sagutin kung alam po natin ang answer, kung ano ba ang sagot sa tinutukoy ko pong question. Okay? Don't you worry po, lahat ng ating questions ay konektado lang po for Baby Kali. At pag alam ang sagot, pag tinanong ko na alam ang sagot, taas lang po ang kamay. At syempre, pag tama po ang inyong sagot, bibigyan po namin kayo ng prize. And of course, kay Daddy na lang po siguro, thumbs up na lang po tayo or thumbs down if tama or mali yung sagot. Okay po? Alright, so of course, let's start. Handa na po ba tayo lahat? Kung handa na po tayo lahat, let's have our first question. Yung pinakamadaling question mo muna. Alright, so for our first question ay, ano po ba ang buong pangalan? Or what is the full name of our birthday girl for this afternoon? Ano po ang kanyang buong pangalan? Taas ang kamay. Sino pa nakakaanam? Eto na. Ayun, may nagtataas dito from table 2. Hello, madam. Good afternoon. Kayo po ba? Makikiraan lang po. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagpaparaan. Hello po. Hi, madam. What's your name? Okay. Sino po ba ang sagot? Shibi. Ay, akala. Nagtaas po kasi kayo ng kamay, kaya kayo nilamin. Okay, sige po. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chance later. Now, anyone po na nakakaalam? Taas ang kamay? Pagkaya lang po. Nagtaas po kasi ng kamay, kaya nilapitan ko. Hello! Ang ganda naman ng ngiti nito. Hindi pala ganda. Guwapo naman ng ngiti nito, diba? What is your name? Ethan. Or Ethan, what is her full name? Ano po yung buong pangalan niya?
Khaleesi.
Khaleesi?
Tigno.
Alright, kaya natin Khaleesi Digno Manuel nga daw ba is correct! There you go! Congratulations! This is yours. Congratulations! Khaleesi Digno Manuel ang kanyang full name. Galing-galing naman ni Ethan. Well done! 4 more questions to go. Meaning to say we have 5 winners. 4 na lang natitira. And don't you worry sa mga ibang papalag. We still have 2 more games right now. Abangan natin yan. Okay, for our second question ay, kailan naman po ba ang kanyang exact birthday or petsa ng kanyang kapanganakan? Hello, madam. Ito. Alright? Makinig po tayo mabuti. Huwag po muna tayong gagalaw hanggang di ko sinasabing go. Alright? So, kanina, bago po kayo dumating, syempre, meron po maaaring nakatago sa ilalim ng inyong mga mesa or buwan, something like that, na isang bola. Huwag niyo po muna hahanapin, nakikita ko po kayo dyan. Ayan. So, ganito lang. Meron pong nakatago sa tatlo sa mga mesa na yan na tatlong klase ng bola na inyong hahanapin at kung sino po ang makahanap ay ay may prize. Ibigyan po natin ng premyo. Okay? Ready? O, wait lang po. Pero paalala lamang po, bago tayo maghanap, kapag po naharap na or hindi nahanap, pabalik na lang po sa maayos ulit yung table para hindi po magalit yung ating cater. Sarap na. Okay, ready na tayo? Siyempre lang, problema lang, hindi ko po kasi alam kung saan eksakto nilagay. So, tutulungan niyo po akong maghanap. At may premyo ang makahanap ng tatlo. Alright? Ibibigay ito po kay Kali yung nakukuha na bola. Okay? Pag na hindi na ibigay, hindi po counted. Tama? Okay, hindi ka. Okay, ready na tayo? Nagbibigay kay Kali. Ibibigay niyo po yan kay Kali. Dalawa na lang. One down, two more balls to go. Maliit kayo na bola sa ganyang maliit. Ayan. Alright, anyone? Dalawa na lang. Ganyan maliit. Kung hawak ko ni Daddy Gio. Ganyan, no? Anyone? May bola. Bola po na maliit. Hindi po siya malaki. Yung maliit lang po. Ayun, nahanap na. Ayan, ito over. Bigyan niyo po kay. Ayan. And of course, one more na lang. Isa na lang. Same color po ba yun? Same color. Red the ball. And you pull out. And you pull out. And you pull it away. One more time. Sticky, 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 bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Sticky, 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 bubble gum. Reach your hands next to your tummy. Let's go. And you pull out. And you pull out. And you pull it away. I and Gio and Bingo was his name. There was a barber had a dog, and Bingo was his name. And Gio, and Gio, and Gio, and Bingo was his name. That's 3 letters. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. This is up, this is up, this is now. This is